Right now. Hold up. Let me spark the Newport. My niggas eatin', you can barely chew yours. Leave them in the trunk, cooped up like a two-door. A nigga stay sharp like I carry around two swords. Kidnap the boy and treat him like a Saw victim. Live or die, leave him bloody like raw chicken. You a small gremlin, and I'm a fucking creature. Reload the clip and shoot until them bullets reach ya. I'm in the game, and you ain't even on the bleachers. A lot of niggas run their mouth until their grill is leaking. If that ain't enough, I cut them up and let them rest in pieces. Press them with the iron and leave them with a couple creases. Yeah, I smoke a nigga till his brain's cash. Shoot quick cause I aim fast. Lame ass niggas get lit up like propane gas. Yeah, I skate, but these ain't blanks. The blast is real, I'm nasty. I can get two dykes from different porn flicks cast to chill. Tell them got a couple bottles, little gin and juice in a cup of Moscato, Grey Goose and vodka. And I only fuck with bitches that got a lot of dough. Spit game, tell the whole party at Bellagio. Ass so fat, but I don't need a lap dance. Take her to the room and get brain like a CAT scan. You ain't getting paid, I ain't that man. And plus, I was looking at your friend with the baby fat pants. And I don't care where your man's at, cause if he wanna trip, I'ma show him where he lands at. 2 Tech 9s, baby, they will handle that. Yeah, and his homies get handled after, cause I make them guns pop like a battle dancer. I'm the type to come through shooting on that dark star. You the type to get hit by a parked car. I'm sick, I can make the dock bark. I pull out that death metal and I rock hard. Then dip out in that motherfucking starship. Niggas can't see me through the Kush cloud and dark tent. Rolling up that kryptonite, switch up full of Clark Kent. Give him a couple rounds on that house like I barked in. You wanna fuck with me, dog? Bark then, leave him dead, then I'm gone in the wind like Scarlet. You really wanna see a beast unleashed? Give me a hot beat, I bet I rip it piece by piece. Please believe I'm running this, I got cleats and speed. Pipe down when I'm around, don't even blink or breathe. And yeah, I'm trying to blow up, lead me to a bomb site. And I'm a motherfucker, so I'm looking at your mom's like, what's up? I do this shit and I do more. Thanks for listening, but I gotta get back to this Newport.